In this video we will combine and blend two images. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, open the Canva website, come here to the create a design and custom design 1280 720 for example. Okay, select your design. You have other designs, just open that, create your design. After creating that, upload your images. Okay, come here to the upload. By pressing the upload button, upload your images. I have the images, so I will select those images. Okay, let's, for example, first of all I will add this one. I will blend this image with this one, with the second one, okay, that I am uploading with this one. Okay, so to blend these two images, let's make it like this, like this. Okay, I will blend now these two images and combine them. So first of all, come here to the elements in the left sidebar and search for gradient. Select it. Come here to the graphics. Come here down to this one. Okay, select this one. Let's rotate it. Okay, I will rotate to the right side like this. This one. Okay, like this. Okay, to this one, make it like this. That is okay. Okay, so now let's copy and paste it. So for that, Control C, Control V8. Okay, bring it here, bring it here. So it looks like this. Select them and group them. After grouping them, now let's copy this. Okay, Control C it and Control V in the second page and just rotate it. Maybe your image is complete. Okay, my image is half, so just bring it to the right side like this. Okay, so after bringing them, so now let's download them, both of them. Okay, come here to the download. First I will download the first one, download it. For the second time I will download the second one. After downloading them, now let's upload them. Okay, let's add a new page. Come here to the uploads, upload to the download, select these two. Okay, and press OK. These two images has added now. Let's open them. First of all, this one and this one. Okay, so after placing them, now let's decrease the opacity of this. Okay, come here to the opacity, make it like this. Okay, so after making it like this, now let's download it. Come here to the download the third page. Okay, just download it. So after downloading it, take a new page and let's upload it back. Okay, upload it. Let's open it. After opening it, now let's edit it. Okay, come here to the edit button, to the adjust. After coming to the adjust, now these are all options that you can make your image. Okay, let's start it. Okay, I will start. Just adjust your image. Okay, how you want, just adjust your image. Increase the image. You will do a lot of things with this. Okay, this one. Just make it. Okay, just come here down, make it like this. See, just adjust these points. Okay, so adjust these points. Okay, you will get a better image. Okay, that you want. So it looks like finally this. Now let's download it. Come here to the download. You will download the last one. download it. So that has been downloaded. So this is our blend. We have combined and blended two images. So it's how it looks like. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.